Let's talk about the next mistake, where users do not restrict their item dropdowns within NetSuite. What do we mean by that? Well, most companies today have multiple streams of revenue. Imagine, for example, a software company. They will have subscription revenue through the product that they sell. They will have services revenue through implementation services that they offer to implement their products. Most companies will create custom transaction forms within NetSuite to capture the different data elements associated with their products. But how do we limit the list of products available for each transaction form so that we avoid having services items on a subscription transaction form and vice versa? For that, let's jump into NetSuite to take a look. We'll start with a simple item saved search. Notice here that the item saved search is named Custom Item Search 1 and that we have the public checkbox checked. That's important for this process to work. In this case, we have a standard filter for looking at the display name and focused on display names that include services. Now let's take a look at how we can use this saved search to restrict a transaction form and the items that are available. In this case, we'll be restricting to services items. Here we've jumped over to a custom transaction form, in this case a sales order transaction form within NetSuite, and notice that we have a number of different tabs available to us to customize the form. The important one here is the sublists fields. In particular, the item filter is what's going to drive the available items for a transaction form. We click on the drop-down list available to us and notice here that the custom item search 1 is available. We go ahead, select that option and click save. And now when we use this transaction form going forwards, the item drop-down list will only include items from our saved search. Thank you.